the company had sent me this air conditioner to go on my small cargo trailer. This is a 12-foot cargo trailer, so it's not very big, and this is one of the smaller of the units that they have. But just want to show you, I did go ahead and install it. It's just too hard to hold a video and everything up there, but it is sealed underneath, and you see these rubber bushing, these right here are to keep the vibration and everything off. We had to stick those on there. It was very simple to put on. There were 4 bolts that I put into the hole. Now I had taken out a fan that was already in there. Very simple to do. So this was pretty easy to set up on the outside. And then I went on the inside, and I can show you what I've got going on the inside. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I've had to do a little work on the inside right here. Very easy to install. Once I got it in here, those 4 bolts were holding it, but I had to put, there's some cross members right there I had to put in, and it's just bolts. There's one here, one over here, and one in the corner, and you just tighten those down. It sucks it down. It's got a cushion underneath there that you bring down. Now, that cushion had to be sealed, so we did get it sealed and everything. And the roof wasn't high enough, so thick enough, so I had to put some 2x4s in here to be able to drop it down to where it fit good. Now, I've already hooked it up, but these wires right here were hooked in. That's for the battery. Got it. Now, these were very simple because it came with instructions as to how to put these wires on, and it was very simple. Just find the ones that match each one of the plugs, and that was pretty well it. And then it's just a matter of making sure your wires are up out of the way. There's a hole right there where you can do that, and then you put it's got right where that blows out. There it is. I can get this out, and that was it. Just put that back together, and then I've got some screws that goes right in those holes, and that does that. And then in just a second, I'm going to go ahead and turn it on and show you how it works. All right, we're fixing to turn this on. I've been working on it and everything, and so it's a little messy in here right now, but I want to show you the remote. It does come with the remote, the on-off button, the fan motor. You can go and have it either way here. It's got the light on it, and this is a temperature up and down on that right there. So I'm going to have it turned on here just a minute. I will tell you a little bit about it right quick. They do suggest that even though you use a 12-volt battery, but if they suggest a 300 to 480 amp hour batteries for it to run up to 8 hours without any charging or anything, is what they say. But it's got to be on sleep mode or echo to get that amount. Now, I haven't ran it that much, but I'm going to turn it on right here, and it right here is the display. And so I'm going to turn it on, and then we're going to get a temperature reading, and I'm going to put it on echo. Okay, that is actually on the wrong way. There we go. So it's 89 in here, and can you hear it? It's on, and it's going right now. I'm going to turn the fan up just a little bit so you can get an idea. So we're going to watch it right here. Now, you can hook this up to your phone also, which is a big thing. It does have the different modes. It's starting to cool down pretty good right now. It does have Wi-Fi where you can't hook it up to a phone, as you can see right there. You can actually turn it on and off right there. It's hot in here. It's right at 90 in here today. So, and I'm sweating. So I'm not going to run it very long. I just wanted to show you that it does work, and how quiet it is. One thing I want to mention about the top up there I didn't mention is the material that top is made of is made to withstand the weather, the sun, the heat, everything that needs to go through. So it's made very strongly. Now it keeps getting cooler and cooler as we're sitting here. I think this is going to work great. Now all I did is I run the electric wire all the way down the wall. This is just a cargo trailer, and we do camp in it, but this is all I needed. If you're doing it a different way, you can run it through the walls and run it back and everything. So I did have to put because I went straight to a battery, I did have to put an 80 amp breaker on it. That was what they suggested. I did order it. It comes with a 100 amp fuse also. So I'm really happy the way that turns out. It is cooling very well, and that's strictly on a battery, 12-volt battery. I'm gonna switch it to some different. I think I can do that. See, I've just got it on 67. That's what I've got it on. It's 87 right now. I got the door open, so it's not cooling the whole thing right now. But I can see, as little as this thing is, it will cool it really good. So if you need an air conditioner, a 12 volt or something where you want to go out doing some without electricity, you can get that big battery and it will last a long time. But a regular 12-volt battery won't last all that very long. So it's already cooling down. Definitely. All right. So